Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best giant folding chair is probably one of the most versatile and convenient pieces of outdoor gear you can own, offering unparalleled comfort and portability for everything from backyard barbecues and camping trips to sporting events and beach days, transforming any outdoor experience into a more relaxed and enjoyable occasion with its sturdy construction and easy-to-use design. Number 5. Best Choice Products Gray Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, 2-pack. Experience unparalleled comfort with our zero-gravity lounge chairs. They smoothly glide into your perfect ergonomic position, adapting to your body's weight for instant relaxation. Take comfort wherever you go. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them perfect for the park, beach, or any outdoor event. Stay connected and refreshed with the detachable tray. It features cup, phone, and tablet holders, keeping your essentials within easy reach. Built to last, these chairs offer a high weight capacity and feature flexible, low-wear fabric for enduring quality and comfort. Customize your comfort with the included removable, padded headrests. Find the perfect angle for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy generous open dimensions for maximum comfort, and a convenient folded size for easy storage and transport. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth zero-gravity recline. It features a convenient detachable tray for your drinks and devices. If you're looking for unparalleled comfort and convenience for lounging in your backyard or at the beach, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It folds up very compactly, making it easy to store and transport. The fabric is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler. Introducing the ultimate camping companion. This chair keeps your drinks cold with its built-in cooler, so you never have to leave your seat. Enjoy your favorite beverage with the handy mesh cup holder. Everything you need is within reach, thanks to the convenient side pockets. Experience superior comfort with a fully cushioned seat and backrest. Designed for relaxation, it's perfect for any outdoor adventure. Crafted with a strong steel frame, this chair offers durability and stability. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Take it anywhere with ease. It includes a convenient carry bag, making it simple to transport to your campsite, tailgate, or backyard. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a fire pit, this chair is your go-to for comfortable outdoor seating. What we like. Stay refreshed with the built-in fork and cooler, keeping your beverages icy cold. It offers a fully cushioned seat and back for maximum comfort during extended use. If you love tailgating, camping, or just enjoying a fire pit, and want to keep your drinks close and cold, this chair is an excellent companion. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It folds up very compactly, making it easy to store and transport. The fabric is durable and easy to clean. Number 3. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool. Tired of bulky seating? This portable stool unfolds in just seconds, making it incredibly convenient for any situation. It's designed for quick and easy setup wherever you go. Experience unparalleled durability. Its unique reinforced design and high-quality materials ensure it can handle up to 400 pounds with exceptional stability. You can rely on it for years to come. Take it anywhere with ease. Weighing just over 2 pounds and featuring an adjustable strap, it's perfect for all your outdoor adventures or even for use around the house. It's designed to be carried effortlessly. Customize your comfort with adjustable height. You can set it to your preferred level, ranging from just a couple of inches to over 17 inches tall. Find the perfect height for any activity. Enjoy peace of mind with its secure design. Special features prevent it from accidentally opening when closed, ensuring it stays compact and safe during transport. It's built for reliable use. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, our dedicated support team is ready to help ensure your complete satisfaction. Enjoy your purchase with confidence. What we like. This stool boasts an impressive 400 pounds weight capacity, making it incredibly sturdy. Its height is adjustable, allowing you to customize it to your needs. If you need a reliable and portable seating option for camping, fishing, or any outdoor activity where you need a quick, sturdy seat, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up compactly, making it easy to store and transport. The built-in cup holder is a convenient feature for keeping drinks within reach. Number 2. CLIQ Portable Chair ClassiQ 1.0. Introducing the CLIQ Portable Chair ClassiQ 1.0. It collapses down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly easy to take anywhere your adventures lead you. Setting up this outdoor chair is a breeze. It's ready for you in just seconds, and its tip-proof design ensures stability on any terrain. This foldable chair is designed for versatility. Whether you're camping, at a festival, or just relaxing on your lawn, it's the perfect companion for all your outdoor activities. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. This chair is engineered with aircraft-grade aluminum and ripstop nylon to support up to 350 pounds, yet it only weighs 3.53 pounds. Constructed with double seams and premium materials, this chair is built to last a lifetime. It's an essential addition to your outdoor gear collection. From barbecues and picnics to beach days and music festivals, this chair is useful for any occasion. Enjoy comfort and convenience wherever you go. What we like. This chair collapses down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly portable. It sets up in just seconds, so you can relax anywhere, anytime. If you are an avid hiker, backpacker, or festival goer who values ultra-portability without sacrificing stability, this is the ideal chair for your adventures. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It folds up very compactly, making it easy to store and transport. The chair is comfortable to sit in for extended periods. Number 1. Cosco All-Steel Folding Chair Black, 4-pack. Introducing the Cosco All-Steel Folding Chair in Black. This pack includes 4 chairs, perfect for any occasion. These chairs fold up tight and compact, making storage a breeze. Save space when they're not in use. Built with a durable steel frame, these chairs are made to last. The powder-coated finish adds to their longevity. Featuring cross braces and a tube-in-tube reinforced frame, they offer exceptional strength and stability. Worry no more about scratches. The non-marring leg tips are designed to protect your floor surfaces. Enjoy superior comfort with the contoured seat and back. They provide a comfortable seating experience. What we like. Built with a robust all-steel frame, this chair offers exceptional durability and strength. It folds flat for incredibly easy storage, making it ideal for tight spaces. If you need a no-fuss, durable, and stackable seating solution for events, parties, or extra seating at home, this set of chairs is a practical and economical choice. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up compactly, making it easy to store and transport. The built-in cup holder is a convenient feature for keeping drinks close at hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.